Hello, little learners! Welcome back! Today we're learning letter B. Bounce, bounce, big blue ball. Happy Bear says hello, all. Clap, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Come and sing with letter B. 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 Ball bear. Let's all cheer. Jump with B. Clap with B. Dance together. 1, 2, 3. Ball and bear, come with me. B. We love letter B. This is the letter B. Capital B. Small b. Letter B. B. Say it with me. B. B. Letter B says B. Repeat after me. B. Excellent! Let's write it. Down, around the top, around the bottom. Great! Now small b. Fantastic! Let's learn words with the letter B. Ball. B. Ball. Bag. B. Bag. Bear. B. Bear. Excellent! What letter is this? B. What sound? B. Great job! You learned letter B. See you in the next adventure. Bye!